Hi everyone, this is Teresa and I'm Carolina Bug here on YouTube. I'm here with another craft share that I want to share with you. These are pencil holders and I want to say that I was inspired to do this video and to create them by I was watching Cynthia and she is the Scrappybookworm1 here on YouTube, and I'll make sure I put a link down below to her channel on how she made these. I saw these and immediately said, oh my goodness, I've got to make them. So what I did is I used this cute little Winnie Polka Doodles character. She's a die cut, and here she is all put together. I use these, and these are made out of using toilet paper rolls or either paper towel rolls, empty ones, and I made all the scallop circles and tags I made on the Cricut, and she gives you all the dimensions of everything, what size to cut everything. The vines, the greenery, whatever right here was cut with my Cricut, except for these flowers. These were some flowers that I had in my stash from years ago from Michael's. And then the buttons, I just used a little thing of button. Other than that, I just put her together. I put her on here. Cynthia used a stamped image that she colored on hers, but I had these dies and I hadn't used them yet. And of course I got them from HSN, and so I created mine using the dies. There is another one with a cat that I'll show you in a minute. And this is a stamp that I use for my creative time. And I just put live in the moment. And I used this little die that came with it. And I just hot glued it on there. So that's one. And what you do is you put like some pencils or Cricut markers, and it sits on your desk, and it's so cute. And here's another one I created. Oh, move this out of the way. Here's another one I created. I just made her with darker hair. Friends Forever on that one. This one says Friends Forever. And this one, I used a little kitty cat that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was a Valentine's kit. I don't know what I did with the kit. I was going to show you, but anyway, I just put some glasses on him and put some little bling right here for his little collar. And I put Friends Forever on this one. And I thought he turned out so cute. So anyway, I thought these would be cute to share with crafty friends or either people at work to put on their desk when they come in. It gives them a little cheer. I also use this punch from Martha Stewart that I've had for years. And I painted, this is like a toilet paper roll that I painted inside and around the edges. So it would be, makes it stronger also, where it stands up better. Or you can use a paper towel roll, just cut it in half. And then I used, what else did I use on these? I used some ribbon to go around the bottom, the top and the bottom. And let's see. On this one, I made it for a friend, but I also created her a card, a happy birthday card, a little shaker card. And I made the little doll to match a little pencil holder. And I also made an ATC. And the little girl was, I guess you could see she was too big for an ATC. So what I did is I scanned her in with my Cricut, shrunk her down and made her the size of an ATC. Start each day like it's your birthday. Anyway, I just wanted to share some things that I was working on. And I hope you like. Take care, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye for now.